I have my water in my pan. I have my leftover chicken and the chicken broth that was still in it. My chicken is very tender. Don't even need a knife, actually. Okay. Pour all that in there. It is gardening season. Ain't nobody got time to cook. So, my leftover shredded chicken. Okay, I got my onion here. All right, now here's a little trick. I cannot find my potato peeler, so just take a knife and just scrape off, just like so. Use the other side if you want bigger hunks. My chicken bouillon. And my seasoned salt. All right, we're just gonna let that warm up about 15 minutes or so until the carrots are cooked. Okay, so my chicken is all done. I've got cornstarch with some water here, and I'm going to add this to my boiling chicken to make it a little bit thicker. And then I'm gonna check my spices. Probably needs more salt because the world needs more salt, people. Okay, put that in there. So we're gonna let that cook for just a minute to make like a gravy type sauce for our chicken. Now I might need more bouillon, might need more salt, I don't know, we'll see. Well, it's pretty good. She has a tablespoon more bouillon. Let's see. All right, if you want a basic chicken soup recipe, Dining on a Dime Volume 1 is where you can find this. Oh shoot, did I get too salty now? No, I hope not. All right, I think that'll be okay on top of our rice. All right, let me get my rice, add some pepper. So here is our rice and our chicken. And there you go, all in one. There. Okay, thumbnail, very nice thumbnail. Okay, now.
Oof.
It's super hot. Don't burn the hide off your mouth.
Super hot.
Chicken and rice. Good use of leftovers, isn't it?
It's really good.